Matron, take them away.
Okay, boys and girls, we've just gone into market on pound JPY, and Winky's away off to get my coffee because she's my girl Friday today because it's my birthday today, so I get anything I want today. What's the chances that she's pissed off? That'll be no then. I better do the charts. So I'm doing a 15 pip scalp on this. Take this down into 5 minutes so you can see what's going on. I'm actually targeting in and around this area here. So that's 15 pips. Why 15 pips? Let me show you. Now if I pull this through into the strength, what we see here is the pound is slightly stronger than JPY here, but they're both losing ground. Also, when it has a change of strength, it is losing strength, but it's not losing as much as what that is. So there's still movement to be had within it. Now, what I'm looking at, I always look at the double D, the dominant direction. Okay, that's what that means. But the big frames is all over the place. The low frames, even though it's saying they're selling, they're all over the place as well. All that means is there's a lot of noise, so I've got to be a little bit careful. It's a C trade, so by definition, you can kind of see these are all over the place. So it's going to be a risky trade, whatever I do. So I'm going to keep my TPs low, and it's telling me to target roughly around 14 pips. Well, I'm going to adjust that now and move into the trade. Now, the trade itself, if I'm looking at that, that's 12. Well, to be honest, I'll be happy with that. So I'm going to target this level that I've put in here. So that's actually 11.8 pips. I can kind of live with that. And why can I live with that? Well, I've been working this morning. I want to be finished relatively quickly. And I've already done my prop trades. There they are there. That's 18.44, so I can live with that. I've also done my Black Bull small account for the guys, which is there. So that one's been done as well. And I've also done the other small footsie account as well. Now, if you saw my time management video that I did, you'll understand how I do all of that. It's all done in hourly segments from around 6:30 in the morning up until about 9. Now, this is going to be the last trade of my day. It's coming into target now. Should relatively hit it soon. So what I'll do is I'll kind of show you. Now, the guys already knew this trade was coming in. And why? Because I told them this morning on the Discord. Just put it in. There you go there. There's a video breakdown of it and the sheet well in advance of this trade going forward. I do that because I think it's the fairest way. So let's look at this. This is what's called an anchor chart. It's all marked out. I can see exactly what's going on. And the premise is you can see all the volatility coming into the market. There's huge amounts of it. So if I go +1, what's this showing me? Well, it's showing me where it's starting to try and get to, which is probably this top section. But every one of these lines, well, there we are. We've hit target. We're done. Every one of these lines is a bounce point or a potential bounce point. So I trade the gaps between them. So there should be nothing running, no tickets, and there you go. 59 quid in about 5-10 minutes, if that. Okay. But there's the volatility. So this will start slowing off here. And then the selling will come back into range. But if I've been paid, I don't need to do it. I take everything from here. So there is the volatility we're after. You can see the tail coming in a little bit now. And then if I drop it into -1, we can see what's happening. So there was a bit of congestion here. It was the breakout of here was the trade. Boom, into level. Get your money and done. But look, it is actually stalling on this. Take it down to there. There you go. There's the stall coming in. Now, it may think about it, push down a little bit and then slam up. But that level's holding this price. And that's the key element here. If you can draw these levels in, you're halfway into being a trader. But if you don't know how to draw levels properly, you're screwed. You've got no way of knowing what the roadmap of a chart is. Now, if you are looking to be a trader and you think the action's in 5 minutes, you are so wrong. You're wrong beyond belief. The action is in the high time frames, and use the low time frames to help time your entry. That's it. So that was very quick, very easy. Again, it's just me putting my money where my mouth is. And that's it. So I'm going to have the rest of the day off and look forward to going into my holidays end of the week. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.